is how to upload photos and make over $1,600. Yes, you heard me right, and it's totally free. In this video, I'll be taking you through how you can start making money just by uploading the photos and pictures you take with your phone. This is a job you can do from home and anywhere you may be in the world. Are you from the USA, Nigeria, or other countries? All you need right now to start making money with the pictures and photos you take with your phone, tablet, or any good camera. You don't need a degree certificate, interview, and no one will trust you to do this job. All you need is for you to take the pictures and photos of your location, nature, culture, environment, images and objects like insects, animals, event occasions, and all kinds of photos that you can take. There is a site that is ready to pay you for them. The good news about this is that this particular website is safe and pays worldwide, and you will get your money directly to your bank account from any country. So, all you need now is your personal determination to succeed and have more money for yourself. But there's one thing you need to do. You need to watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to know what you need to do to get your photos accepted. There are steps and tricks that are required to avoid rejection of your photos. I will also be taking you through how you can turn this into a passive income. That is, you just take photos once, and those photos you will take will continue to make more money for you for a lifetime. Therefore, I'll be taking you through how to upload the photos you take by yourself with your phone. So let's do it! Here is Roladel Business, where we review different online businesses and jobs that can help you make money. If you are here for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel and click the notification so that it will help you to know when we publish new videos like this every day. We are here to help you to navigate various online businesses and programs that can help you make money. Towards the end of this video, I will show you how I make money online watching YouTube videos, because since you want to know how you can upload your photos and make money, I believe you would like to know how to make money watching YouTube videos as well. Let's talk about it. This is Shutterstock, the website where you are going to upload all the pictures and photos you take. Look at it. More than 1 billion paid out over the last 15 years. This company has paid out over $1 billion worldwide to their photo contributors. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. It will take you to the page. Wait! Don't check the link here until you finish watching this video. Firstly, let me take you to what this company is all about. You can see, share your work and start making money. You click get started, become a contributor. All you need to do is to take good photos with your phone, produce high quality images and videos, which means they also take videos too for their customers. They have thousands of customers ready to use photos and videos of different objects, locations, events in different environments and cultures. They will pay you for it. All you just need is to submit it. Now, let's start by clicking the join button. So by the time you click join, you put your full name here, your user ID, your email address, your password, and accept the terms and conditions. And you check that you are not a robot, then you click next. It will take you to this place after you're filling all the ownerships, all the information that relates to you. If you click this place, you can start uploading. All you just need to do is click upload. You can upload multiple photos, just open. So these are the photos I just uploaded now. So after I upload, you just scroll down, click next. You will need to select each of those photos that you take. You have descriptions and details of the kind of photos you uploaded so that when searching for it, people could see it and download it. So after you upload the photo, the next thing you have to do is to click here and write the details. Which one I click now. So when you come to this page, you describe what the photo is all about. You select the category. Location is optional. Then you submit and ensure you put the keyword, and after that, then you submit. Now with the photo, you collect money from most merchants across the world. Direct to any bank account in any currency you want to. All you just need is to select a Pioneer account or PayPal account and set your minimum payout. If you don't have a Pioneer account or PayPal account and you want to make a video on that, let me see your comment below. You will also be able to know technical requirements for images after you must have signed. Now you just scroll in and you'll be able to see and link the necessary requirements of your images so that you avoid rejection and you're able to start making money from it. You now know how to upload your photos and make money. You can turn this job into a big time business. Do you know that photos that you take that are great and unique can change your life? Can you imagine uploading the unique photos that hundreds and thousands of people are downloading? A picture that is good and your upload will always be there for people to download, and they will pay you for every download. So, the more pictures you upload, the better for you. This is why people will continue to download your photos even while you were sleeping. This is called passive income. All you need to do right now is time to take action. Put your phone into use and start making money with a phone or tablet. The good news for you is that you can collect your money via Pioneer or PayPal. Pioneer and PayPal is a payment gateway that will help you collect funds from this website. All you need to do is to create your account with any of them if you don't have one. If you have any further questions, you can drop your comment. I will respond to you immediately. Taking photos and uploading them on this site implies that you are giving them permission to sell your photos, and they will give you permission for every one of your photos they sell. This is the reason you need to take good pictures with high quality. Otherwise, they will reject your photos because there are so many people doing this job, because it is so easy to take photos, upload them and get money from this company. Your pictures will be rejected if you just take any picture. So, I assure you, take a look and do well to follow the requirements so that you can upload as many pictures as possible with this site. As I promised, the next video that is going to pop up now is how to make money by watching YouTube videos. And if you want to make more money online, I suggest you click on this video showing on the screen right now. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.